Hi, my name's Pierre. I'm a Haitian American. My parents were born in Haiti, immigrated here, and I want to talk for a second about abuse, violent abuse toward homosexuals. I'm a straight man. I'm a Christian, but I don't have any problem with homosexuals. I have a problem with pedophilia, violence, incest, rape, stuff like that. But I, these Haitian men are thinking it's okay to joke about dating really young women, and it's like this stigma. I even had a family member, like at a family party, and my uncle Jean thought it was okay to feel up on my niece, and just in front of everybody, people either just laughing or just pretending they don't notice or it's not happening. And this kind of stuff is not okay. And violence towards homosexuals is not okay. Homosexuality is one thing, violence is a completely other thing. And my parents are Creole speaking, and I didn't really have a way to educate my parents about this kind of thing until I found Cuasvahh. I showed them the instructional, I showed them the videos and the all the information they had, and now I saw the look on their faces that that realization. So I'm really thankful for Cuasvahh, and the resources they provided were really helpful. So yeah, thank you, Cuasvahh. I say no to violence. What about you? What about you guys? Think about it. You can check them out at cuasvahh.org. They're on Google Plus, YouTube, Facebook, all that. Check them out on facebook.com/Cuasvahh. Um, yeah, you can call them also at the numbers 888-735-3536. So if you need information, give them a call. And yeah, say no to violence.